Hey everyone, today we are going to make some deviled eggs. This is not very complicated, so just follow along. It'll be simple, I promise. So deviled eggs just don't have to be that complicated. I boiled my eggs the other day and shelled them, put them in some water in the refrigerator, and they're already ready to go. So you're just gonna cut it in half, take your yolks out, put them in a bowl, and we're gonna repeat that process until everything's done. Okay, so now we have cut all of our eggs. We have all the yolks separated, and of course all of the whites over here on this tray. I made 26 eggs, so it's gonna end up being about 52 deviled eggs. First thing you're gonna do is you're going to take some mayo. Now everybody says to use Hellmann's, and I love Hellmann's, but look, Thanksgiving is expensive, so we're going with great value. Big dollop, and maybe a half one on that. Then you're gonna go ahead and take your mustard. And I wish I could tell you what the measurements are here, but honestly, I have no idea. I've been doing it for so long, I don't measure anything. My grandmother always used to say, do it till it feels good. So I'm gonna tell you the same thing, do it till it feels good. This, garlic salt, not garlic powder, not that, garlic salt. Usually I put in onion powder too, but I ran out the other day and I never went back to the store, so we're just doing that. It'll be fine. Maybe we can do like some minced onion or something like that. And again, until it feels good. You're gonna wanna be generous with it. Next, salt and pepper. Now, not a lot of salt, just a little bit because we just added that garlic salt. So nothing crazy on that. Now the pepper, you're gonna want that pepper. So you crack that in there. All right. Decided that I'm gonna do a little bit of minced onion in it, but we're only gonna do a couple shakes. Nothing crazy. Time to start mashing. Seriously, time to start mashing. So as you can see, I've been mixing it here for a minute or two, and it's getting there, but you can kind of see that it's kind of clumpy, and that's not really the consistency that you want. So I'm gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise. Remember, there's a bunch of eggs. There's 26 eggs, so it's better to add as you go along than to overdo it initially and try to have to balance it out after that. So I'd much rather, see, now we're getting to that consistency. All right, so now taste test. It's really good. It's really, really good. Okay, get a different spoon, and then we're just gonna start filling up those eggs. All right, now that I was able to get a new spoon and put my jewelry back on, we're just gonna fill up our eggs. You can do the whole bag thing, the Ziploc baggy thing, and that'll be totally fine too, but I ain't about to be wasting bags, so I'm just gonna do that. All right, so all of our eggs are done. We're gonna go ahead and crack some black pepper over the top. Next, we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of paprika over the top. Just a little bit. So it should look like that. Okay, so a couple things worth remembering when you're doing the deviled eggs. Number one, don't use Miracle Whip. It is not a miracle. Number two, if you've made this recipe and you don't like it, you probably did something wrong. Number three, enjoy.